What is creatine? Creatine is a natural substance found in your body, mostly in your muscles. Your body makes some creatine on its own, and you also get a little from foods like red meat and fish. But many people take it as a supplement to help with exercise and building muscle. Creatine helps your muscles make energy quickly. When you lift weights or sprint, your body uses something called ATP for power. ATP is like the fuel for short, hard efforts. Creatine turns into phosphocreatine in your muscles, which helps remake ATP fast when it's used up. This means you can work out harder and longer before getting tired. Myths about creatine. Many people worry about creatine because of stories they hear. Some think it causes hair loss, makes you bloated, or hurts your kidneys. Let's clear these up with facts. First, hair loss. This idea comes from one old study in 2009 on rugby players. It showed higher levels of a hormone called DHT, which can link to hair loss in some people. But that study was small, and no one actually lost hair. Newer studies, including one in 2025, checked hair directly and found no loss from creatine. Science says creatine does not cause hair loss or baldness. Next, kidney problems. Creatine is safe for healthy people. Hundreds of studies show no damage to kidneys when taken at normal doses. If you have kidney issues already, talk to a doctor first. But for most, it's fine. Bloating? Yes, some people get a little water weight at the start. Creatine pulls water into your muscles, which can make you look fuller and weigh a bit more. But this is not fat, it's good for muscles. It usually goes away or stays as muscle water, not belly bloat. Other myths: creatine is not a steroid. It's natural and safe long term. Which creatine to buy? The best type is creatine monohydrate. It's the most studied and works great. Other types like HCl, ethyl ester, or buffered claim to be better, no bloating, better absorption. But science shows they are not better than plain monohydrate. They cost more and have less proof. Stick with simple creatine monohydrate powder. Look for pure, micronized for easy mixing. How much creatine you need? You don't need a big, loading phase. Some say take 20 to 25 grams a day for 5 to 7 days to fill muscles fast. It works quicker, but you might get more bloating or stomach upset. Better way, just take 3 to 5 grams every day. It takes longer, about a month, to fully load, but same results in the end. No extra side effects. Most experts now say skip loading unless you need fast gains, like for a quick event. Best time to take creatine. Timing does not matter much. Take it any time of day. Some studies show a tiny bit better if close to workout, before or after. Post-workout with food might help a little more because of insulin. But the big thing is taking it every day, even rest days. Consistency is key. How to take creatine? Mix 5 grams in water, juice, or a shake. It mixes better in warm liquid. Take with carbs if you want, but not needed. No need to cycle off. Take it year-round if you like. Creatine benefits. Creatine really works. It helps you get stronger, lift more weight, and build muscle faster. Better recovery between sets. Good for high-intensity sports like weightlifting, sprinting, or team games. Also, brain benefits may help thinking, memory, and even mood. Some use for older people to keep muscle. Safe for women too. After a year of daily use, like in that video idea, you get stronger, more muscle, better workouts. No hair loss, no kidney harm if healthy. Side effects. Main 1. Water weight gain, 2 to 5 pounds at first. some stomach upset if too much at once, rare cramps if not drinking enough water. Drink lots of water. No big dangers for healthy people. Studies up to 5 years show safe. Final recap. Creatine is one of the best supplements. Cheap, safe, effective. Use monohydrate, 5 grams daily, anytime. No loading needed, no fancy types. It boosts strength, muscle, energy. Myths like hair loss or kidney damage are not true. If you train hard, try it. Many people, after a full year, see real gains without problems. Talk to a doctor if unsure, but for most, it's great.